Vitality.
The Greek food?
Vitality. No, Roman. Roman, dude. Fuck those guys,
annoying ass.
Oh,
dude.
Yo.
It's Italian, bro.
Oh. Hey, guys.
What's up, bro? It's Italian. It's Italian. What's up? What do we miss?
We're just making a video.
We're gonna talk shit about you guys. What's the video about?
We're just answering some questions.
What questions? Show me the questions.
No.
What is that? Some question about who are your best friends? It was like,
And we were just saying,
Roman. Yeah.
Roman. You guys get in here.
Smaller than the cup.
Would you rather pee your pants in public or shit your pants in private and wait 3 hours to clean it up?
Be yourself in public.
Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad.
I mean, I did shit myself.
Shitting yourself is such a fucking nasty ass clean.
Oh, you telling me you never did that before in your life. Shit myself?